Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn the same topic, verb preposition collocations. Already I taught you, we have seen some examples also. In this class also we are going to see some exercises. Okay, all of you take page number 68. Okay, page number 68. Complete the sentences with correct verb preposition collocations. Okay, last class we have seen what are the incorrect words and we have to identify the words, we have to remove the incorrect words and we have to add the correct verb preposition collocations, isn't it? Today we are going to see what is it, we have to add correct verb preposition collocation in the fill up. Okay, now first one, A. In many teams, team sports, each team dash 11 players. So here we have to add correct verb preposition. Okay, so what word we can use that? Okay, it should be verb is there and along with the preposition is there. Okay, so here you can add consist of. So here is the verb is there along with the preposition is there. So in many team sports, each team consists of 11 players. B. My mother did not dash my staying the night over at my friend's place. So here a daughter is telling, my mother did not dash my staying the night over at my friend's place. So here we have to use the verb preposition collocation, that is object to. Okay, she will not object to. Object is main verb and to is the preposition. Okay, my mother did not object to my staying the night over at my friend's place. So here object to is the verb preposition. My mother dash my brother. My mother dash my brother and me dash all the little mischiefs we make. Okay, so here you have to forgives and for. So here there is no rules, you have to write the joined words. Sometimes it may be comes one word after another also. Okay, so here my mother forgives my brother and me for all the little mischiefs we make. Okay, so here what is the meaning? So we will do all the mischiefs, naughty things, but my mother forgives my brother and me. Okay, that is the meaning. So here forgives and for we are adding. Forgives is the main verb and for is the preposition. And next 1D. All political parties should dash their forces, dash the evil of corruption. So here protect and from. Okay. So here all political parties should protect their forces from the evil of corruption. Okay. So protect is the main verb and from is the what? Preposition. Okay. All political parties should protect their forces from the evil of corruption. And then last one, E. Can you dash the weight? Can you dash the weight of the jar dash its size? So here compare and here with. Okay. So can you dash the weight of the jar dash its size? Can you compare the weight of the jar with this size? Okay. So here compare is the main verb and with is the preposition. Okay. So after we are come across so many examples and we have learned so many examples of word preposition collocations, we can understand that the main verb and preposition will not come always together. Okay. Sometimes the first main verb will come in the first place and next one the preposition will come. Okay. But not jointly. Okay. Not in all cases. Okay. That is the meaning. So in many team sports, each team consists of 11 players. So in this sentence the verb and preposition comes together. Okay. So that is the verb preposition. Second B, my mother did not object to. Here also verb and preposition combining. Okay. That is collocation. Combining, that is collocation. That is the meaning. My mother did not object to my staying the night over at my friend's place. And then C, my mother forgives my brother and me for all the little mischiefs we make. So here did you see that forgives are coming, the verb comes first and preposition comes the next. Okay. It is not jointly comes. And then all the political parties should protect their forces from the evil of corruption. So here also the protect main verb comes first and preposition comes the next. And then can you compare the weight of the jar with its size? Here also what is that? The verb comes first and preposition comes the next. So I hope you all understand this chapter. That is verb preposition collocation means main verb will come along with the preposition. Okay. So if you see the example, after watching the video you have to go through all the exercises. Okay, if you have any doubt in this chapter means you can ask me. Okay, until then take care. Assalamu alaikum.